to Dipansh video time. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a QR code like this using Python version 2. Okay, so let's get started. First, I can import QR code. It is very necessary to import as the whole QR code is going to be based on this library. Okay, the next thing you can do is define QR code generator. And you put URL inside it, as I'll tell you later on. Then I can put QR code. QR coder is equal to QR code dot QR code. I can put my version to 2. Version to 2. Error correction to be equal to QR code dot error correction L. I can put box size can be equal to 15 and the border can be equal to 5, like that. Then after that, we have a QR coder variable ready, we can then go all the way to the bottom and add QR coder dot add data. I'll add data URL. Now we don't have URL yet, so all the way at the end, and I'll delete the tab and I'll make sure to put a hashtag and type last line. And here I will put the name and the URL I want to put. So first let's finish the define part. So QR coder dot make fit is equal to true. So to check if our fit is true. Then I'll put our QR code image is equal to QR coder dot make underscore image. Our fill color will be equal to black, and our back color will be equal to white. Then what I will do is QR code image dot save it as channel link. So I'll put it in channel link. Then at the last line, which is line number 18, I can type over here QR code generator. Then we have to put the parentheses and the double quotes, as it will be our URL. So then I'll quickly put my URL right over there. So if I go to Windows, I type YouTube, Dipansh video time, I can Control C, and go to Visual Studio Code and type Control V, and then that will be our URL. Now if I run it out, there must be no errors. Control C. Now what was my name of it again? Channel link.py. Oh, okay. So it is not showing the generator because I didn't put dot png. So now if I put dot png and run it, there should be channeling.png. There we go. And then we'll have my QR code. So I hope you like this video. Like, subscribe. Until next time, Dipansh video time is out.